You might have been taking screenshots all wrong. This tool will help you to take better screenshots and share them on social platforms. It'll allow you to make it a lot smoother, a lot more branded, and just a lot more nicer in general, whether you're showing off features or you're bringing together a chart that you want to show off to show your MRR. You can find this app in the link in the description, and here's how it works. This is Xnapper, and very simply, it's an application that you can use to screenshot better. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this work and what's entailed in it? We'll tuck into the pricing a little bit later, but very simply, let's show you how it works. So once you've got Xnapper installed, you go to take a screenshot. And very simply, if you've got a chart or a bit of data, whatever it may be that you want to represent in a much better manner, you just screenshot or hover over that bit of information. Now, as you can see, what it will do is it will come into a separate application, and you can add your desktop background to it, or you can choose some of their presets. Now, there is the ability to customize that inside of the premium pricing. And you can see here that you can add a bit of padding to it around the edges and also create an inset to it, which basically gives it some distinction between the background and your page. Now, this is perfect because you can narrow this down to a tweet, for example, a ratio of a tweet like this, and you can even put it on a no background, which means that it comes with a different option. You've also got the ability in the premium, if you have a license key, to remove that. And as you can see, that is the removal of it, but you need to enter the license key to get access to it. Now, once you're happy with that, what you can do is press save here at the bottom and a new image is created. If I click into that image, you can see that's a beautifully represented graph that I've just created using Xnapper. So this tool can be really helpful, not only for things that you want to be able to bring to life, but say I was a product manager, part of the Contentful team, trying to demonstrate how to search for a new page or something like that. Maybe I'll do that a little bit better and say author Francesco. Then what I could do is demonstrate that feature really, really nicely just by taking a screenshot of it and bringing it to life. I could then give it a little bit of my own branding and feel and change it for the platform that I might find suitable, like Instagram or maybe even YouTube with the thumbnails. So this is a really nice feature because you get a really decent quality of a picture when you're done, and you can save it pretty instantly. Now, when it comes to pricing, this application is actually a little bit steeper. If you want a one license, it's $30 and you get 1 year's worth of updates, and that license will keep with you forever. But of course, if you want the free access, 3 Mac OS devices access, that's 1 year. Now, there is it available in Setup, which I believe I'm using it through as well, which means you can get access to, here you go, you can get access to pretty much the basics of it, but I don't think the watermark abilities are fully switched off in this. I'll have to let you know in the comments. But that's Xnapper, an interesting screenshotting tool that might be helpful for you taking screenshots on your Mac device. Thank you very much. Hope this helped, and you can find all the apps linked below.